Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to show you how to make the IP address find system using Java. Let us show the demo first. Right click, run file. The simple system here you can check here. If you click OK button, here this is the IP address of your machine. You easily identify here. If you go to the command prompt, ipconfig, if you type ipconfig, okay, this is the IP address. This is the code part, right? This is essential stuff in Java. You identify the machine configuration. This is when you are creating the network system. This one should be must, right? So let me see how to do the system step by step. Let's go to the file, new project, Java application. Sorry, file, new project, Java application. Click next. If it is check create main class, you have to uncheck it. Here I am going to create this one, IP address, right? IP address example, ex example. Click finish. Your project has been created successfully, IP address ex. Now here first what I am going to do is select the source packages, right click new, JFrame form. Here I am going to create the project name is IP address, right? Simple. Here I have drag one label. Here what I am going to select this one first. Go to the source, Control F, find UI. Here type UI, press enter key. Here you can check here. This is the we are changed as metal. This is the actual Java user interface, right? UI, right? Now here when you run the application, you can check here what happened. This is actual Java here. It's actual Java. Now here first what I am going to do is here I am going to make the code, right? So select this one, IP address find, IP address find, right? Select this one, right click, properties. You have to make this one bold, 24. Click OK, right? This is the stuff you have to do. Now here I need one button. So let's go to the palette, drag one button, right? Now here this one I am going to select this one, find. This button we have to make it as find. When you click this button, our IP address will be pop up, right? So how to do the task here is select this application, right click, properties, code, we have generate center, so that the output should be generated at center. Here right click, run file, you can check here. Okay, here. Right. When you click the find button, the IP address should be pop up, right? So double click on the find button. Here this one here. Now you have to write the code over here. First step what I am going to do here is we have to write here, we have to add the relevant classes over here. So go to the here we have to declare the classes above the class here, this one. We have to add the namespaces. You have to write import Java .NET. This is the network. We have to access the class also, not net. All network classes we have to put like this. Okay, this is a network you have to write. You have to import this namespace. After that, here we have to write the code for that. Net address. You have to create the object address equal this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Dot get host. Get localhost, this one, get localhost, right? After that, here this one we have to add surrounding the catch, try and catch block. After that, we have to write here is string address host equal. You have to write this one, this address, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, dot get host address, this one. You have to write here. We have to this one, this all the network address, you get it and pop up the message box. So you have to write j option pan dot show message dialog. You have to write here this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. Now let's run and check. Here it's working perfectly well. This is the current machine address. Very nice. I hope you guys understood this program well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. Thank you for watching.